Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. So today we are just going to do a quick video. I've got a pretty vicious headache, but I needed to get y'all a video today. So I'm going to push through and get this done for you. So this is a cross that I cut probably over a year ago, poured on it, and then when I went to move it, I stuck my finger in it and it wasn't fully dried and I ruined it. So it's been dried for over a year now. It is just solid MDF. It is 3/4 inch solid MDF. Whenever I cut it, I sanded it down. I did not route the edges because I wanted that hard edge. So this is non-routed. And what that does is when you don't route your edges, especially on MDF, sometimes the paint can kind of just sit on the edge. And so, which is actually good when you're working with resin, which we're not doing today, but in the future, just so you know, hard edges actually make working with resin easier because it's not going to fall over as easy. So this, we will have to force the paint over to get to the sides. We're just going to paint straight over. I didn't clean it down. I haven't sanded it, nothing. We are going to paint straight on top of the old paint. And because it's MDF, I'm not worried about lifting or any of that kind of stuff. So we will be fine. We are going to do a swipe today. Our base color is actually going to be this KingFisher blue. We're going to see if this works as a pillow paint. It is, let me show you all the container. It is a PPG. It is, of course, a color sample. It was from an Ultradeep base, but it is flat. Normally, you would use satin or semi-gloss for a pillow paint, but today we're going to use this flat and see how it moves. Our cell activator recipe and our pouring media recipe down in the description if you want those. Our colors are Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, Master's Touch Pthalo Green, Master's Touch Permanent Black, and then we've got the Artist Loft Metallic Blue. Our pouring meat or our cell activator is going to be the Amsterdam Titanium White, and then I did add 1 squirt of this Amsterdam Ultramarine Ink just to give us a slight light blue color. So those are all of our paint colors, and we are going to go ahead and get started. right. We are all done. I'm actually going to wipe my hands around the edge. So that way we have a nice clean edge. Some of the drips came over the side and some didn't. So I'm just going to clean that up real quick and smooth it out. All right, we are all done. This is actually probably going to dry pretty quick because it is on MDF, and MDF just dries a lot faster than canvas does. But we are going to go ahead and finish up. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section, and I will do my best to get back to you. Down in the description, links to my Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, as well as my websites, guidedbyfaithdesigns.com and thenerdden.com. There's also a link down in the description if you'd like to help sponsor my channel. It helps me get supplies and all of that kind of stuff. These videos are free for you to watch, but they are not free for me to bring them to you. So if you like, go check that out. And also don't forget to go and join my Facebook group, Paint Pouring for Christ. It's just a place where like-minded individuals can come together and brag and love on God and do prayer requests and all of that kind of stuff. So go check that out, Paint Pouring for Christ. I'm going to bring y'all down for a closer look. Thank you again for watching. And as always, God bless.